That's the first myth that you have to debunk. If they're getting it for free, they're getting something super, super basic.
It's exactly like, guys, imagine you're watching a free webinar, right? A free webinar like what we are talking about now, this is an educational introductory video. Would you know exactly how data integrations work after you watch that video? Probably not.
Probably not.
But you would get an understanding of the depth of what is a data integration. So it's likewise the same if you're watching a webinar on how to set up a company in Dubai, right? Because that happens a lot to us. Like, we have videos out there on YouTube, thousands of people watch it, but you would not know from watching that video how to actually do it. But you would get the base knowledge. You would know who you can talk to, what you can do, who can you reach out to. And I think it's exactly the same here. Like, what we see here a lot, Shopify has POS. They have something called the Shopify Retail Pro. I'm sure you're aware. Mm-hmm. So that has been going a bit, in terms of publicity, it's been doing well. Like, we have a couple of clients that run on it, are very happy because it also allows the multi-location. But then, as you said, if you're not syncing your products within Shopify as a platform, if you have an ERP or if you have a CRM, if you have a different marketing tool, or if you just have an accounting software, that allows you to invoice, as Shopify is not an invoicing software itself, that empower your business that you have to think of, those are not immediately linked and synced and, function 100%. Even the delivery and payment partners, not all of them are integrated. So I think that's what you said, Robin, that's myth number 2. If it's for free, anything that is out for free, especially when it has to do with data carrying, pushing, pulling, is usually, now, of course, now you will say the company X, delivery company X, has built an integration into Shopify. Is that bad because it's free? No, because you have a service contract with a delivery partner to deliver it. So they allow you to use that integration that they've built out free of charge because of you using the service. So that's not what we mean for free. But something for free would be if you go up to the Shopify store, you go check a free app for a product customizer. That app wouldn't be so detailed, or that app wouldn't allow you to customize the product super and allows you to brand on top of that product customizer, which probably show the logo of that app provider who did it, or will relink you to a different URL, which is not your own. There will be a 1,000 of different options, but it will not be 100% customized to the business and experience that you want your customer to have.